Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you whole chicken oven roasted. I'm going to cook it with steam. And how do I make it delicious and tasty? That I'm going to share with you. And what ingredients I'm going to use, please check it out the description below. I have a whole junk chicken. It's a fresh chicken. I'm going to wash it with the cold water. This chicken is around 7 pounds in weight. I'm going to wash it with the cold water, then I'm going to cut into small pieces. And let's get started. And I took it out of a bag and I just washed it with the cold water. And it's a fresh chicken. It's about 7 pounds weight. And now I'm going to pat and dry and then I'll cut it. Wash with the cold water. And now we're going to remove the skin. I'm going to use the kitchen scissors and we're going to remove it, the skin. First I'm going to make a cut right in the middle. Cut through. So once half is cut, now I'm going to cut the leg portion. Before I do that, I'm going to remove the skin. These are big leg pieces. And as for the wings, I'm going to cut it right on the bone. And I'll take the wings just like that. Look at how beautiful, nice big size breast pieces. I cut the chicken into nice pieces, breast, and these are the big leg quarters. Chicken has a lot of fat, so I remove the fat, I trim the fat as well. These are the wings. This is the second leg quarter. I'm going to make a nice deep size cut. 1, 2, and 3 on the drumstick. So this is a good size of cut. And on the breast, we're going to make a nice cut like this. Perfect. I'll cut on this breast as well. You don't have to cut all the way through, just to deep enough so when we're going to marinate our chicken, it's going to taste well. So these are the wings, we don't have to. So this is our whole chicken. These are big chicken, they are 7 pounds. So now I'm going to bring the spices and we're going to marinate. All the pieces are nicely cut and I'm going to marinate with the lemon juice. These are home-grown lemons. I'm going to use a 1/4 cup. 1 teaspoon salt, and salt is always to taste. Cumin powder 1 teaspoon, black pepper 1 teaspoon, red chili powder 1 teaspoon, coriander powder 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon garam masala. Now I'm going to mix it all. So we're going to massage it really well. Please make sure that all the spices nicely goes inside the cut and it will be nicely marinated. Once it's nicely mixed, so let it sit half an hour. The chicken has been marinated for half an hour. I'm going to share with you the way I'm going to cook it. This is the oven tray. What I'm going to do, I will place the chicken on top of it. I'm going to fill the bottom tray with the hot water. I know many people has a question that if they don't have a tray, how they can do it. I did have posted a video yesterday, how to make a tasty lemon pepper pork chops. So if you don't have a tray, you can use some kind of a pot like this This is a Pyrex glass oven safe tray, a bakeware. I have posted lemon pepper pork chops. Please check it out, that video. How did I cook it? What I have done basically, I filled with the hot water. Then I use a rack like this. Then I place the meat on top of it. So if you don't have that big tray, you can use something like this. I'm not going to use it. I'm going to use this tray. So the chicken is nicely marinated. So I'm going to place it on top of this, like this. So we have this much left over. So when we're going to place the tray, then we're going to put it on top of it. And let's go to our oven. I'll open the oven. I'm going to place the tray. This is hot steaming water. I'm going to fill up the tray. I have added 2 cups. I'm going to put 2 more. So altogether 4 cups. This is really important that when we start our oven to preheat, we want it keep the hot water in there. So I'm going to push it in just like that. I'm going to close the oven. I'll turn the light on so you can see it. Bake. And I'm going to bring the temperature to 500 degree Fahrenheit, and then I'm going to start it, which is 260 degrees Celsius. It's 11:08, and once going to preheat, the water is hot inside. That's one of the reasons many people say that when they cook their chicken or any other meat, it's not get cooked within half an hour, because they preheat the oven, they fill up the tray with the cold water. They start from ground zero again. So it's very important, before starting oven, put it hot water. Our oven is preheated at 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Our water is inside boiling. So be careful when we're going to open it. It's going to be real hot. So don't burn yourself. So I'm going to open it. I'll get my tray ready. And please be careful. It's hot. Wow, look at this. The water is boiling inside. Now I'm going to bring the tray on top of the hot boiling tray. So just be careful, don't burn yourself. Just like that. And the leftover masala, I'm just going to put it on top. Just like that. Okay, I'm going to bring this one back. I'm going to close it. Now we have a time, 11:22. $11:23. So 11:22. So I'm gonna come back at 11:52 or 53. So exactly 30 minutes. Our chicken will be well cooked. It's exactly 11:52. It's 30 minutes. And I'm going to open the chicken and I'm going to show it to you how it's really looking. Right now it's totally done. So just be careful when we're going to open it. Wow, look at this, the steam. To turn these over, you really don't have to. Our chicken is fully cooked. Only reason I'm doing it, so it will give a nice crisp at the top as well. So it's 11:53. I'm going to turn off the oven and I'm going to start the broil. And another 5 minutes I'm going to keep it on broil. I gave another 5 minutes on a broil. As you can see, The time is 11:57 and I'm going to turn it off the oven and I'm going to take it out. So just be careful when you open it. It's going to be real hot, steaming. Look at this. I'm going to take it out. Wow, look at this. Nice big size breast and our leg quarters. Wow, look at this. And our chicken wings. Look at this, steaming hot. And if I can show you underneath the water, all the fat drained, that went inside the water. And now we have a healthy chicken sprinkled with parsley flakes. That's our perfect. The whole chicken cooked with the water, with steam. Delicious. It's a super tasty. Please try it. And it's fully cooked. I will show you. Wow, it's a steaming. Look at this. Super moist, super juicy. Wow, it's a fully cooked up to the bone. This is what the steam does. So good. I have a lemon juice. You can put some lemon juice on top of it. Wow, it's so tasty. It's really good. Please try it. If you like this recipe, please like, share, and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.